Hey everybody, this is Mohamed T Gulamali with the Mo Moment. Based off of the turbulence going on in the stock market, specifically with GameStop, I have a special guest today, Jaaved, realtor, mortgage loan officer, and fellow financial author. Say hello to the people.
Hey Mo, it's a pleasure being here with you today, and I'm excited. We have a lot to go over what happened in the market.
Yeah, specifically with GameStop. Now, here's a little bit of details about GameStop. It's been a failing business for quite a while, in the red. As of 6 months ago, their stock was as low as $4. Between January 1st and January 12th, their stock hovered to a little bit under 20 bucks. On January 28th, it hit 325. Now, hedge funds normally short stocks, means betting against it. So when they're shorting GameStop, which was heavily shorted, let's say they bought it at 10 and it dropped down to 7, they would have made $3. But if it jumps to 15, that means buying it at 10, they have a $5 loss. Now with these hedge funds, they've been basically, they took a hit, and some are saying even targeted. What are your thoughts on that? How did it happen?
It happened. It happened easy. New investors, new speculators, stimulus, and online social media. These things played a huge role in what happened, and it's going to keep happening with different asset classes. So stimulus was key. People had free money laying around, and they just heard the beauty of invest 300, make 35,000, invest 400, make 18,000.
So they mobilized that way and
They
basically took
mobilized.
some of their stimulus money and pumped it into the market, inflating the price of a stock whose
And
business
inflating the
just
market.
doesn't have a good business model at this point, pretty much.
There's many stocks that don't have a good business model, but GameStop
Absolutely.
is oh my goodness. There's
Right.
almost no model.
Yeah, pretty much, man. All right, so how does this change the way the market operates, in your opinion?
This is gonna have people looking into social media. There's gonna be restrictions. It's gonna be more informational. You're gonna have Wall Street now adding you on Facebook and following you on Instagram to see what you're doing now. They're gonna be in your business of what does Mo want to purchase today? What does Javed purchase today? And they're going to follow now. They're going to follow trend. They have no choice.
Okay. All right, so a couple of questions have came in. GameStop is at basically an all-time high. Should they buy GameStop today?
Absolutely not. It's a bubble waiting to crash. You come in today. This is not financial advice. You come in today and it crashes. I don't feel bad for you because you knew if you're reading and you know about value investing, uh,
Economics 101, do not buy high. That's just the way it is.
buy low, sell high.
Exactly. Now, another question that came in is a lot of brokerages halted trading, and with what Robinhood has done, what are your thoughts on this?
My thoughts is it had to be done. Parents 401k, 401ks, pension funds were all on the line. It's just that people didn't really know like their pension funds are on the line. So
Because
it had to be halted. Otherwise, people would have retired on Monday, applied for their pension fund, and it would have just evaporated. GameStop, AMC, Nokia, all these companies would have taken these people that have no idea what the stock market is.
yeah, and that's basically because these pension funds invest in 401k plans, retirement, etc., right?
Exactly. And they give them a little piece of the action and
Okay.
make millions.
What are your final thoughts?
My final thoughts on this is that if you made money, I think you should invest in asset classes, real estate, gold, silver, and I'm a silver bug right now, and this is something I love doing. Silver, instead of buying video games, you can buy a piece of silver, maybe
Okay.
four, and then you could buy this little piece of gold, and you could actually use this to barter with. Don't you remember stories of gold coins?
Yeah, they've been stable for hundreds and hundreds of years,
Yeah, and you can't go wrong with these. These are something that's you could barter with, and it's going to happen again. History.
especially if the Mad Max days come. All right. Tell us a little bit about your new book.
My book is basically titled "The Economic Fire Drill of 2020," and it goes over things like Wall Street, gold, silver, etc. And it's very informational, and it's something that you should read and understand. And any questions, you can reach out to either me or Mo, and we'll gladly answer your questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Keep in mind, people, this is not financial advice, just thoughts, and stay blessed.